does ExpressVPN work with Netflix, and can you change your location, for example, to the US to watch their shows that they've got on their Netflix? Well, in today's video, that's what I'm going to be answering, and I'm going to be showing you live on screen that you can absolutely do that. So as of recording this, for about 4 months now, I've been using ExpressVPN to change my location on Netflix and to watch the US Netflix. And I'm assuming that's what most of you guys are trying to do here. You're trying to watch the US Netflix or maybe a specific show on Netflix. Well, I'm going to walk you through and I'm going to show you that ExpressVPN does work on Netflix. It doesn't buffer, it doesn't reduce any speeds, and it just is an overall good VPN that works with Netflix pretty much every single time. I've never had an issue with it and it's been perfectly fine for me. So here is Netflix. I'm on the Thailand Netflix currently because I am living in Thailand right now. Now what I'm going to do to prove I'm on the Thai Netflix is search for Wicker Man. Now Wicker Man is only available on the US Netflix, that's why I've chose this show here. So the Wicker Man doesn't show on the Thai Netflix. So when we open up the ExpressVPN here and we choose a server, I'm going to choose the US server and click connect. It's then going to connect us to a location in the United States. I'm sure you're all aware of how this works if you're on this video anyway. You just want to know if it works. So here it is, it's now connecting us to the US. So we're now connected to a Los Angeles server, and to prove that we're connected, I'll just do what is my IP, just so we can see that we're connected to the ExpressVPN server here. So you can see that our IP is the ExpressVPN IP, and we're connected to LA. So we'll go back to Netflix and then we'll search for the Wicker Man again. And you can see the Wicker Man now appears on Netflix. Now what we can do is we can click on that and we can go and watch the Wicker Man. So here is the Wicker Man, it's now playing. Now I'm going to have to blur it because I can't show it on YouTube, but you're going to have to take my word for it that it's playing in HD and it's not buffering at all. And to be honest, I'm not going to drag this video out really. There's not a lot more that I can tell you about ExpressVPN. It just works on Netflix. If you've came here for an answer to that question, then you've got that answer. If you want to go and check out a speed test, I'll leave it up there, and I did a speed test from my connection when I'm not connected to ExpressVPN and then when I'm connected. So go check that out. If you want to actually go and download ExpressVPN, I've got a unique link for you guys, which is going to get you 3 months off. So if you go and buy the year plan, you can get ExpressVPN and you can get 3 months for free if you go and buy the plan through that link. So go and click on it, buy ExpressVPN, and go and watch some Netflix. Cheers guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.